The Pioneers, first of all, on the 6th, men and women will take on Wilberforce. We won't have those games on the air. We will. And then Saturday, the 10th of February, the Pioneers will
that was empty. We put more fuel in. It came up. Air temperature seems to follow. Oil pressure, voltage, RPM. Speed up.
We will have a season finale Saturday, February the 17th. We'll have both teams for you. And
Speedo works.
It's a tough place to go. A nice place to do a ball game. Great atmosphere down there. And hopefully those games will have some meaning beyond just what goes on in the court that night.
Well, certainly the way definitely shot making that happen is their next 3 games against Mount Vernon, Walsh, and Wilberforce are against the bottom 3 teams in the league. And get on a run and a winning streak here at home. As we start the second half, Lady Pioneers move left to right on your radio dial. Eric Commissioner